So um, let's create, let's distribute points on faces. Let's create convex hull from that. So that's the shape we are getting here. Let's delete geometry. Let's add random value node. Mesh to curve. Curve to mesh. Oh, I couldn't type. Curve to mesh. Let's do the same thing here. Okay. Let's add a value and type frame. So we are creating a new seed every frame, so it's scattering points like crazy. But if we multiply it by 0.1, that's the shape we are getting here. If we check our you cannot see the effects very well, but as you can see here, like it's like jittering. Okay. Let's set position to create our, sorry, not here, mesh curve. Let's resample our curve. As you can see, we resampled it, so it has more points on the curve. Let's change its length to subdivide it more. Let's create our noise for the electricity look, and also this look. So let's create noise texture here. Noise texture is creating the values from 0 to 1. So when we are offsetting, we always offset to the positive position. So we need to arrange that. Let's use map range node, make it vector, and let's offset it to mine should be -1. So we are getting more correct results here. Let's play with our scale, detail. Let's play with this. Okay. So let's create a value here and see it has to be frame. If we merge our geometry with our electricity effects, this is the effect we are getting here. Okay. Let's create a material for our electricity and our set shape smooth, our icosphere. Let's set material node. So let's create two materials here. One is going to be metal. The second one is going to be electricity. Let's play with the color. And let's change our metal texture. Increase metallic, decrease roughness. Okay. Let's assign our materials. So if you add bloom here, we are getting this kind of results here. Let's play with the roughness. Let's we can use this, I think. Finally, if we go here, we can see it now. Okay. Let's play with our electricity. Let's put geometry nodes. So that's the effect we are getting here. So remember, we had a sine value. If we use that to drive our density of our electricity, we can create better looking motions. Like, let's create a max. Let's multiply it by -1. Let's create one more max for here. Boom. Here's the effect. can always play with the values. Let's map range here. So you can still play with this color. Let's decrease the saturation. Real electricity has less saturation. I think that looks really fine. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I end it here. I hope you learned something. It's very simple node setup with example, and it's looking really good. You can do another things with that. Goodbye.